Have you suffered from something? I don't know why you have to do that. It can be to keep your relations or benefits. But, believe me, one day, you will just want to roar as loudly as possible and finish everything. And this case is like the last straw on my back. You know, in many cases, we, camels, have to carry a lot of straws on our backs. They can be such heavy that our backs can be broken by adding only one straw. So, when you can't suffer anymore, you can say the last straw on the camel's back. Or, shortly, you can say that's the last straw or that's the final straw. So, please, don't bulk too many straws on our backs.